Hi everybody, Andy Fito here at Camping World in Vacaville. I'm here standing in front of 2021 Mallards, and these Mallards are all 30 and 31 feet. I'm going to show you a couple different floor plans. We're going to take a look at the 312 and the 301 Mallard, and both will have a trickle charge battery, solar panel connection right there, power jack with a light, and your stabilizers will also be power. Outside kitchen with 2 burners on the 312. Sink is in the back with the refrigerator, and you do have a second door that goes right into the bathroom and a nice big awning. Your outside showers on the back, and you have a nice little extra storage compartment as well. Going into the main door of the cab, you have a nice area for your shoes, jackets, nice big corner closet, which is very deep. Definitely store some goodies in there. You got storage underneath your big U-shaped booth table, and then right next to it you'll have a full pull-out couch. So this will be a full pull-out sofa, and then on your side you have plenty of space for a TV. Lots of storage, deep compartments in the closets and in the TV storage. Coming back, you see there's a CD, DVD player. Also has a USB, which you can connect to the TV. And then your refrigerator is also a chalkboard. 3 burner stove, oven, microwave with the exhaust. What I really like about both of these Mallards is they have huge beds, oversized beds in the main cabin. And again, overhead storage space, USB and plugs in the back over there, so you could charge your phone, plug anything in, any kind of electronics. Moving to the back, again, you'll see pretty big beds. Kids won't grow out of that for a while. And another thing is a full bathtub and medicine cabinet corner. Again, provides a lot of space to shelves, and you also have the cabinet underneath. And this is the 312. Moving on to the 301, as you can see, I have 3 in stock in inventory, 2021 factory fresh. Mallards also have an extra big outside compartment and your shelving, refrigerator, and you also have outlets there and a light, so you can always add microwave or anything like that as well. You'll also have your outside shower and cable and satellite hookups. And this is what that shower will look like. And you'll have a quick connect hose that'll hook up real quick and draw off the water of your tank. Here at Camping World, we set up everything with 2 full propane tanks and 2 12-volt batteries, all with weather casing, and you will be all set up and ready to go camping when you leave here. We'll make sure all your water lines, furnace, air conditioner, everything's intact. Now this is the 301, which has a nice pull-out couch here. You also pick up 2 recliners and a little bit of a smaller booth, but still comfortably fits 4 people. Can easily put an extra chair there for a 5th or 6th person. Again, you got a chalkboard refrigerator, nice big sink, and a lot of counter space. This is definitely a kitchen or cooker's delight. If you spend a lot of time in your kitchen, you have a lot of storage space for all kinds of stuff. Plenty of drawers, oversized storage for pots and pans. And then towards the front of the cab, nice big shower. You can easily put a blow up insert in there if you needed to make it a bathtub. And then again, a medicine cabinet deep enough for all your toiletries and bathroom supplies. And then all your overhead cabinets, got nice compartments up there. And of course, an oversized bed. This 301 also has an extra little closet over here for extra hanger and storage space. Give me a call if you're interested in either one. 609-204-8742. I'm usually available till 7 p.m. California time. Thank you guys so much.